So I wanted to make a quick little video because I just got this 50cc scooter, and well, I actually messed it up at one point already because I was messing with my carb and I put it back on and I accidentally put the gas wire, the gas tube, to the drain at the bottom and put the drain wire or tube to the gas, where the gas goes, flooding my engine. And I didn't know how to get that fixed, so I had to go call a guy who knew about scooters, where I got the scooter from, and he let me know how to do that. So I'm going to make a video letting you know how to do that. So what you have to do to unflood your engine to get it back running if that happens: one, fix your carburetor, put it back to normal, make sure you drain like all the excess gas out of it, and then hook it back up correctly. You know, the gas tube up here at the top, and the can't see with my big old hand here, but gas tube at the top, and the drain tube with the coil around it goes to the bottom. So yeah, what you do is you take out the spark plug. The spark plug is located in this area here. Don't know if you can see that, but either way, you go through that gap, and there's where your spark plug sits. So you take out your spark plug if you have the spark plug, the sockets that are longer. So you can get your spark plug. If not, you can take off the plastic covering and use a 16mm wrench. I'm also doing an oil change, so that's why there's other stuff going on here. But so yeah, you take out the spark plug, you kick over the engine a couple of times, and that should clean it out enough. You kick it over just a few times with the key on, not all the way on. Well, all the way on, but you know, just so it moves the things. I don't even think you need the key on. You just have to be able to move the engine a little bit. So you kick it on a couple times, and it should clear out the gas of whatever is flooding the engine. And then you put the spark plug back in to the spot. You know, you put everything back on, and you kick it over. Once you hook it all back up, obviously power and everything, then you turn on the engine and you kick it a couple times and it should get started. So that's how you fix the flooded engine of a 50cc if you accidentally flooded through all that crap. There's other flooding things that you can do. I saw videos. I was trying to figure out how to fix the flooded engine. I had to call a guy, and he was like, "Oh, it's easy. You just do this. Maybe it's that easy. Everybody knows that already." Or if it just maybe nobody's already talked about it. But that's what happened. I flooded my engine with gas by putting the tubes on incorrectly on my carb when putting my carb back on to the engine. And that's how you unflood it. You take the spark plug out, you kick it over a couple times, and then you put the spark plug back in, kick it over, and get it started, and it should clean itself out. And then, yeah, there you go. Have a good day.